little courtroom reaction again. Let me know what you think.
We're in Harlan, Kentucky, for the sentencing hearing of 59-year-old Cletus Robbins Jr. Following a 3-day trial, Robbins was convicted on...
Sorry to pause it so soon, but 59, bro, and you're still getting in trouble? Jesus.
A litany of shockingly violent charges.
The defendant is guilty of 1, kidnapping with serious physical injury, 2, robbery in the first degree, assault in the second degree, unlawful imprisonment, 1, endangerment first degree, and being a persistent felony offender first degree.
As Judge Kent Hendrickson proceeds with Robbins' laundry list of crimes, the prosecution interjects after Robbins repeatedly turns around and glares at them.
Your Honor, the Commonwealth requests the court give notice to the defendant not to communicate with the Commonwealth.
In the courtroom, defendants are often prohibited from communicating verbally or non-verbally with anyone except their own attorney.
So this guy is old as hell, still getting in trouble doing stupid things, and then he can't even act right. He can't even act his age in court. That's crazy.
The problem is, Robbins isn't exactly a rule follower.
Don't tell me. Hey, now none of that. Hey, none of that. Now just calm down.
Yeah.
You calm down. You take it easy.
Stand up there.
That poor judge, man. Look how old he is. He's probably like tired of this shit already. He just wants to retire, and that's it. He probably only does it because he loves his job, but at times like this, I guarantee he don't want to be there.
Settle down, please.
Your ass court here.
Listen, buddy, I'm too old for this.
Hey, I'm too old for this too.
Apparently
Tensions
not.
later calmed, Robbins stands in silence as Judge Hendrickson hands down a heavy sentence.
He shall be confined to the state penitentiary for a maximum of 25 years.
Ooh,
That concludes this matter before the court. Thank you.
not a quarter
Sentencing may
piece.
conclude things for the court, but not for Robbins. That is the sound of Cletus Robbins spitting one of the prosecuting.
This dude went and did all these felonies, got himself locked up, got himself sentenced to 25 years, and he wants to go spit on the prosecutor like if it's his fault. This is a very good picture of somebody who's never grown up.
Attorneys.
Is she
Before he's
laughing?
called out of the courtroom, Robbins makes a final threat.
She looks like she's laughing.
The court has that on record. We know that was a threat, and we will be.
Yeah, for people who've never been to court, or even if you have been to court and you're just stupid enough to say something like that walking out, don't do it. Unless you want more time and you want to make your situation a lot worse, don't do it. Look, this chick right here in the back's laughing too. What's up with these two females just smiling and laughing like it's funny?
Saving that record for possible criminal charges.
No additional charges were filed against Robbins for his
Lucky.
misconduct. His 25-year sentence stands, and a later appeal of the case was denied.
So what was he, 59 or something like that? He got 25 years. He at least has to do half of that if he's lucky. So what's that, 12 and a half years? So 59, 69, 70, 71. He's about 71, going on 72. If he lives that long. Stupid. Oh yeah, this is a court cam. I'm getting this video, and make sure you go check them out. They got a bunch of good videos, and give them a like, a subscribe, all that good stuff. Just want to give a shout out to the people who made the video that I'm watching. Appreciate you.
We're headed south, way south, to Wollongong, Australia, for a sentencing hearing. Seated inside what's known as the dock is the defendant, 25-year-old Jesse Rose. The one-time aspiring rugby league player pleaded guilty to the charge of reckless wounding for an assault captured in this surveillance video. After receiving a complaint about Rose's drunken behavior in a pub, he and his mate were asked to leave by security. But when he refuses, the second camera shows things turning physical. One of the security guards ends up on the floor, backing away from the situation.
Bro, so you're trying to become a rugby player, which is understandable. You're going out with your friend, having a good time. It's understandable. You're getting drunk. Even that's understandable. But then you can't hold your alcohol, so you start acting like an idiot, assaulting other people because they wanted you to leave because you don't know how to handle your alcohol? That's stupid considering you're really trying to be a rugby player. You gotta be smarter than that, man. Come on, now.
Situation. Rose then hurls his drinking glass at the downed man, striking him in the head. The guard suffered serious injuries, including a laceration and depressed skull. Now at sentencing, Rose's attorney made a case to not send him to jail, claiming he's a changed man.
I mean, he could be a changed man, but that doesn't take away what he's already done. He's already hurt somebody. He's already pushed their skull in and everything. What, all because all of a sudden you're a changed man, you shouldn't be given any kind of punishment for that? No, it doesn't work like that. And if this judge is half as smart as all the other judges, he's going to get some type of prison time. And it's exactly what he deserves.
Holding down a steady job and living on the straight and narrow. But Judge Andrew Hasler makes it clear this is no kangaroo court, stating the assault was too serious to consider leniency.
Yeah.
And right about now, he announces Rose's sentence, 14 months in prison.
Shit, 14 months? Man, you better go do that 14 months and sit down. But he wouldn't be on this damn video if he did that. 14 months. That's nothing. Less than 1.5 years. Come on, man. He's going to do something stupid to make it worse, isn't he?
But as one door closes for the defendant, he kicks another one wide open.
Oh, dude, come on. Here he goes. Here goes this changed man. This man who had gone on the straight and narrow and changed his whole life around. That's exactly why they didn't believe that. Oh, shit. That's one of them heavy chairs, too. Oh, damn.
Unhappy with his sentence, Rose perhaps channels his rugby days and boots open the divider door.
Yeah, you could kiss that rugby shit goodbye now.
It's unclear what he says to these two security guards. One guard takes a step or two back. After some more jawing, Rose takes things up a notch and throws not one, but 2 chairs at the guards. Those are not folding chairs Rose just tossed. Those are standard office chairs weighing up to 60 pounds, or 27 kilograms in Australia. What you might have missed is this guard who sneaks around the backside of the dock and, like a boomerang, flies back into action. First bobbing and weaving, then going down under for a tackle.
He's the only one with some balls then. The other two were scared.
The other guard, Rose is pinned to the floor. His girlfriend can be seen in the rear of the courtroom.
Yeah, you ain't gonna see your boyfriend for a
Other
while.
officers eventually enter, get Rose to his feet, and escort him out. For his courtroom tantrum, Jesse Rose was charged with property damage and assaulting a law enforcement officer. An additional 8 months was added to his original 14-month sentence.
So instead of 14 months, now you gotta do 22 months. So you had less than 1.5 years, now you gotta do about 2. You are stupid, bro.
We're in the Cuyahoga County Justice Center, where a sentencing hearing is wrapping up. William Terry just received an 18-month prison sentence for attempted burglary and attempted felonious assault. Present in court are the defendant's family behind him and the victim of this crime seated across the courtroom. He's headed directly to prison.
Alright. Only 18 months.
He's speaking to his family now.
Like I said on the last one, he wouldn't be on this video if he just accepted that. And he's right, it's only 18 months. That's 1.5 years. Why would you do something stupid when you got such a small sentence? I mean, maybe it seems easy to me because I did 10 years straight, and I'm guessing like I would have died to have 18 months. But I also would think that it's common sense. It's only 18 months. You are lucky. You're gonna do like at least a year or something. I think you have to at least do a year or the minimum. I don't know how that works. I never got that low of an amount. But then you get an automatic release date. Well, here in Texas, anyways. I don't know about there. So you probably wouldn't even do the whole 18 months. You'll be out on parole for like a couple months or something. God, Lee, dude.
And then some choice words for the victim.
Touch me like that.
I'll tell you what, you can't do shit to the victim and then turn around and try to do something else. They're not going to allow that, bro.
Two court deputies try to subdue the handcuffed defendant. The defendant's removed from the courtroom without further incident. No additional time is added to his sentence.
Boy, he got lucky as hell for that, man. He got lucky he didn't get something for disturbing that court and for going and trying to retaliate against the damn victim in the first place. And you hear that his own people who showed up to his court, they're like, please calm down, like in a voice like they want to start crying. Why would you do that in front of your family? Like, I understand if you don't give a damn about yourself and others, you gotta give a damn about your family, bro. I would never do anything like that in front of my family. If I got in trouble, I messed up and I'm getting time, it was because of me, not anybody else.
Now we head to a sentencing hearing at the Lincoln County Courthouse in Newport, Oregon. Scott Patrick Lemon, seen here wearing a blue shirt, is awaiting sentencing for charges of robbery, burglary, theft, 2 counts of menacing, and 4 counts of coercion, all stemming from a home invasion.
Oh, hell.
In the courtroom is a deputy, Lemon's lawyer, a police officer, and another attorney. Deputies requested an electronic restraint for Lemon during the proceedings
Spurs, go Spurs.
so that he could be immediately restrained in case he acted out. The judge denied that request. Lemon lunges for the officer. If we take a closer look, it appears that Lemon attempts to grab the officer's weapon. Fortunately for everyone, he's quickly taken down. Lemon has attempted escape added to his list of charges. He's currently serving a minimum of 7 years in prison.
That's it? Whoa, dude, really? I mean, a minimum of 7. I don't know what his maximum is, but really? That's it? 7 years and you went after a freaking cop's gun in the courtroom? I can't even believe that. This dude's lucky. You gotta know some people.
We head now to a sentencing hearing in Ocala, Florida.
Hell. This ought to be a good one. It's in Florida. You know how them Florida men and women are.
Jury has found Travis Davis, Brandon Banks, Kelvin Grimmett, and Keela Richardson guilty of killing Courtney London during a robbery home invasion 2 years earlier.
Okay, it ain't funny no more. I was laughing because it was in Florida and all that, but they killed a woman trying to break in and take stuff that didn't belong to them when they could have easily just gone to go get a job. They are pieces of S. Each and every one of them. I don't care how good of a person they were, how good they were before that. You took a woman's life because you wanted stuff that belonged to her, not to you. You're a piece of shit.
As an added precaution today, extra officers are on hand for the sentencing.
Any legal reason we shouldn't proceed with sentencing today?
As the men wait to learn their fate,
I've indicated that I would like to do is to have the...
People, just one thing, stay out of trouble. Don't end up in court. Don't go to prison. It's not cool. It doesn't make you look cool. You, especially depending on your gender. If you go to a men's prison, you're never going to be near a woman the entire time. If you go to a woman's prison, you're never going to be near a man. There's no intimacy, no love, no nothing. You're just around a whole bunch of other idiots like yourself, and y'all are all miserable. Don't do it.
Hang on, Mr. Davis.
suddenly fists are flying. It appears a court officer attempts to handcuff Travis Davis, but Davis refuses to cooperate. Another court officer quickly jumps in to assist.
Hang on, Mr. Davis.
Meanwhile, a third court officer attempts to handcuff Grimmage, but that doesn't go any better, and total chaos ensues. Richardson's already been cuffed and is ushered away from the melee. Davis's lawyer, Daniel Fernandez, isn't so lucky. With the situation seemingly out of control, another court officer steps in with a taser. Reportedly, all three men were tased, including Brandon Banks. He doesn't appear to join the free-for-all. One of the court officers appears to instruct everyone to clear the courtroom. After the court officers regain control.
That just justifies everything I just finished saying. They're pieces of shit, dude. So, like I've been saying this whole video, if you're gonna do something, it's your fault. It's nobody else's but yours. How much time you get, and then to turn around and start trying to fight the police officers and beating up on your lawyer like it was his fault that you're in the place you're in. It's retarded. But I don't agree with the other guy getting tased because they're saying that he didn't have nothing to do with it. Poor dude, man. Maybe he could get a little bit of his time cut off of that for some reason, or I don't know. I don't know how they do that, or maybe just like, hey, our bad, sorry, and you got to go do your time. Either way, they still killed somebody. They took somebody's life because they wanted property that didn't belong to them because they didn't want to work. I don't really have any sympathy for them.
Davis and Grimmage share some sentimental parting words. All four defendants were convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life without parole.
Ooh. Get them off the streets.
We go to the Berea Municipal Court in Berea, Ohio. The sentencing hearing of 42-year-old Stephanie Ripkoski. Ripkoski was caught stealing from a local Walmart, which resulted in a theft conviction. Today, she and her attorney are hoping Judge Mark Comstock doesn't issue any jail time.
Oh, you going to jail?
Six months in jail starting today is not the outcome Ripkoski was looking for.
Hey, just like the last people, she didn't kill nobody, but she's still trying to steal when she could have easily gone to go get a job and earn whatever it was she wanted. Off to jail you go.
So she quickly appeals to the judge.
There are ways that I can not start jail today. I mean, because I've got a daughter who's got a graduation party going on at home. I understand that.
Don't steal. She's gonna try to run.
Ripkowski goes to take her seat until she changes her mind, heads for the door.
We got a runner.
Bailiff Matthew Bedford takes notice and immediately tails her.
We got a runner. Look at that old lady trying to run.
He catches up to her in the hallway.
Run!
They have a discussion. Ripkowski bides her time by taking a seat. She then checks her phone while the bailiff waits her out and stands guard at the staircase. Acting casual, she wanders over to the bailiff while on the phone, then slips behind him.
She gonna run? Is she gonna run?
Until she makes a break for it. She quickly makes her way down 2 flights of stairs and out the front doors.
Now she's getting
Bailiff
escaped.
right behind her.
Now you can escape to
Eventually
that.
she gets to her car and knocks the bailiff over with the vehicle before speeding away.
Oh, dang.
Luckily, he suffers only minor injuries.
Oh, lucky, dude.
But finding her wasn't easy. It would take 11 days before she was finally caught and arrested. And this time she's hit with additional charges of escape, assault, and resisting arrest. But no additional jail time is added to
What?
her original sentence.
Dude, those are some crazy ones, especially that last one. She escaped for 11 days and didn't get no extra time. Bro, that is wild. I've seen people get locked up for less. Crazy. Well, anyways, that was the videos today, man. This is pretty wild. I really enjoyed them. Let me know which one you like the best, and let me know your 2 cents on everything that you've seen today. I gave my 2 cents, so either y'all liked it or y'all did it. Anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach my first 1,000 subscribers, and I can't do it unless y'all help me out. I appreciate everybody who's already subscribed and all the future subscribers, and hopefully one day I can take this channel higher and much better than it is now. I'm just working with the minimum, trying my best. I appreciate y'all. Much love, and until next time, like always, stay tuned.